prize distribution. Hard work deserves recognition. It is time to honor our achievers who have made us proud with their excellence in academics, sports, and extracurricular activities. Lucky people get opportunities. Brave people create opportunities. And winners are those who convert problems into opportunities. Now, I invite our chief guest, ma'am, to present the awards. First, I would like to call our principal, ma'am, to receive a memento from our chief guest for her unwavering support and dedication to our school. Let's give a big round of applause to our principal, ma'am.
Now, I would like to call upon 10th handling teachers to receive mementos from our chief guest. For proceeding 100% result in social science, I invite Mr. A. Rajangam, Mrs. S. Meena Kumari, Mrs. S. Meena Kumari for mathematics, Mrs. V. Santi for science, Mrs. T. Jyotimani for Tamil, Mrs. K. Shuganya for mathematics, Mrs. S. Shanmugapriya for English, Now, I invite all other teachers to receive the mementos. Mrs. A. Annakodi, Mrs. S. Angel Manogari, Mrs. S. Jayaragini, and I glad to announce that she is receiving another award for 10% attendance.
Mrs. P. Shanti, Mrs. P. M. Kavita, Mrs. V. Chitra Devi, Mrs. K. Logia, Mrs. Shi Anushya, Mr. A. Ramesh Kumar, Mr. J. Anandraj, Mrs. P. Mahalakshmi, Mrs. K. Kartika, Mrs. S. Rubavadi, Mrs. R. Kirtika, Mrs. P. Subhasundari, Mrs. R. Nityavani, Mrs. T. Katpagavalli, Mrs. D. Logapriya, thank you, ma'am. Mr. A. Balaji, thank you, ma'am. Now I invite our president, Mr. E.N. Arumugam, to honor the non-teaching staff with the memento. Mr. Subramaniam, Mr. Jagannathan, Mrs. S. Bhupati, Mrs. J. Kausalya, Miss P. Rajalakshmi, Mrs. R. Sangeeta, Mrs. Muttumani, Mr. Easwaran Driver, Mr. Annamalai Electrician, Mr. Somasundaram, thank you, sir. I request our chief guest, ma'am, to give the awards to two more staffs, Miss Krishnaveni Karate, Mrs. G. Narmada, Yoga, thank you, ma'am. Winners always keep moving. They leap every failure into success. It is the time to best out the winners of the academic year 2023-24. To do the honors, may I invite our correspondent, Dr. A. Manikam, on stage. Grade 10 toppers. First, A. Sivaprakash. He secured first mark in SSLC public examination 2023-24. Dear parents, encourage the children with your applause. For securing second, M. Abarna. For securing third mark, S. Sujit. Congratulations, students. All of us do not have equal talent, but all of us have equal opportunity in real life situations. Excellence in Silambam. K. Harshit of grade 5. He participated in International Silambam 2025 held in Sri Lanka. He secured first in Iratai Kambu, second in Vatrai Kambu, and first in Vel Kambu. He has participated in international tournament and received these much of prizes. Congratulations, Harshit. Your passion for this traditional art form and hard work paid off. Well done, Harshit. Wishing you continued success and may accolades in the future. Next, excellence in snooker. J. Rahul Williams of grade 8. World Snooker Championship in Bangalore 2024. He represents India and became a youngest player, age 13, to reach the top 8 in the world. In the world level, he secured 8th place. Wishing you continued success in the future. Well done, Rahul. Thank you, sir. Our next category is Proficiency Awards. Good students answer all the questions. Better students ask conceptual questions. And the best student will apply those concepts in real life situations. Now it's time to announce the Proficiency Awards for the year 2023-24. To do the honors, may I invite our secretary, Mr. A. Sendil Kumar, on stage. C. Nirvikna of Senior KG. Dear parents, encourage the children with your applause. I'll clap and encourage the children. J. Vikash of grade 1. K. R. Riya of grade 2. These proficiency awards for their excellence performance in the last year annual examination. So all the parents are requested to clap and encourage the children. P. Dhanusha of grade 3. R. Srimati of grade 4. N. Vinodini of grade 5. M. Sri Priya of grade 6. All are our children, so I request all the parents to encourage the children. The real encouragement is with your applause. So kindly encourage the children with your applause. B. Takshata of grade 7. P. Nega of grade 5. M. Parivartana of grade 9. S. William Yabes of grade 10. Punctuality is the first step to knock the door of success, and some of our students prove this by giving the 100% attendance in 2023-24. So now I would like to call A. Adinath of grade 5 and A. Sharan Pratana of grade 9 to receive the awards from our secretary, sir. The children attend all the days in last year. They didn't take leave. Full 100% attendance they gave. Thank you, sir. Heartiest congratulations to all the winners. Your achievements inspire us all. It's time to honor our choreographers from Footloose. To do the honors, I invite our principal ma'am on stage. Head of the dance school, Mr. Karthikeyan, event manager Footloose. Glad to inform he is our principal ma'am student. Next, our dance masters, Mr. Vivek, Mr. Aravindan, and Mr. Basha. All give a big round of applause to all the dance masters because for the 2 weeks they are giving their full heart and soul to our students. With our greatest appreciation, I would like to call Mr. Murali Krishnan, Event Management. On behalf of him, his staff, Mr. Arogya Raj is receiving a prize. Mr. Arogya Raj. Mr. Arogya Raj, please come to the stage. And Mr. Ayyappan, videography for their dedication and hard work. Mr. Ayyappan, videography. Thank you, ma'am. May I request all the dignitaries to come down from the dais and occupy your honorable seats in front of the stage.